Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Following that, you need to install this app from Play to Developer, and when it's ready, open it. DevCheck device and system info. Now thanks to this app you can learn all the informations about your XIAOMI's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!